Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel GetAssist. Today we are here to answer a very common doubt that everyone has. Can you send a snap to someone who is not your friend on Snapchat? So let's get started straight into it. Here is a very simple answer that yes, you can send a snap to someone who is not your friend on Snapchat, but only if their privacy setting allows it. Here is what you need to do. Open Snapchat. Tap the search icon and type their username. Tap on their profile. If you see send snap or chat, that means they have set their privacy to everyone. In that case, you can tap chat to send a message or tap the camera icon to send them a snap directly. It will get delivered even if they have not added you back. But what if you are not able to see these options? That clearly means that their settings privacy is set to friends only, and you can send a snap or message to them only if they add you back as a friend. In this case, you need to tap on add friend and wait until the time they are going to add you back. After that, you will be going to see the option send snap or chat in the options below. Now you might wonder that why does this happen? The basic and simple answer to this is Snapchat prioritizes user privacy. Yes, it avoids randoms or spam messages from strangers. So if this guide has helped you out, do like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.